TransferWise Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to TransferWise, now known as Wise, are in the description below. Wise is one of the best financial tools for travelers, expats, and digital nomads, offering low-cost international money transfers, multi-currency accounts, and a travel-friendly debit card. Unlike traditional banks, Wise provides real exchange rates with no hidden markups, making it one of the most cost-effective ways to send and spend money abroad. One of the biggest advantages of Wise is its mid-market exchange rate, meaning you get the same rates shown on Google without extra fees. Traditional banks and services like PayPal often add hidden markups, but Wise keeps fees transparent and significantly lower. It supports over 50 currencies, allowing users to hold, convert, and transfer money easily, making it ideal for frequent travelers or those earning in multiple currencies. The Wise debit card is another standout feature. It lets you spend in different currencies with no foreign transaction fees, and the app automatically converts your money at the best rate when you make a purchase. ATM withdrawals are free up to a limit, after which a small fee applies. This makes it far more affordable than using a traditional bank card while traveling. Wise also offers local bank account details for multiple countries, including the US, UK, EU, Australia, and more. This allows users to receive money like a local, avoiding costly international transfer fees. Security is top-notch, with instant spending notifications, card freezing options, and two-factor authentication for added protection. There are some limitations. ATM withdrawal limits can be restrictive for heavy spenders. Cash deposits aren't supported, and some transfers take longer than others, depending on the destination and method. However, for most travelers, these are minor drawbacks compared to the savings and convenience Wise offers. Overall, Wise is one of the best financial tools for international travelers, providing low fees, real exchange rates, and a travel-friendly debit card. Whether you're sending money, receiving payments, or spending abroad, Wise is an essential app for seamless and cost-effective financial management.